How Odin Lost His Eye, Microprogression Writing. Students, on the following slides, you will see a microprogression chart for writing. Review slides 5 through 9 so that you obtain a solid understanding of the writing process. By the end of this activity, you should be able to write at the Distinguished Learner level. Slides 6 through 9 provide distinct examples of writing at each level. The written response examples use A Christmas Carol to display how Scrooge's actions develop the theme. Students, I know we are not using A Christmas Carol to display theme. We are using How Odin Lost His Eye to display how Odin's actions develop the theme. However, we used A Christmas Carol because we all read it. We watched some of the movie, so we have a really good understanding of Scrooge and his actions and how they develop the theme of either being greedy or how somebody can change over time. So that was the best example that we can use so that all of you can understand what you must do for this microprogression writing. You are not writing about Scrooge or A Christmas Carol. By the end of this activity, you will be writing about Odin and how his actions develop the theme. Okay? So be sure to read through each example so that you will successfully construct your own well-developed response on slide 10.